Hi, my name is Jean-Luc. I'm from Novato, California. We decided to redo this bathroom because, it was very, very old. We had a partition between the toilet and the bathtub. And we wanted something open. So, we had this vision of taking on the wall, taking off the bathtub and putting a shower because we never used the bathtub. And we had a single sink, and we really wanted a double sink. So we had this beautiful vision. We wanted to have something a little brighter, and we're very happy about the result of our bathroom. I found Green Bay Remodeling through house.com. Okay, our project manager was Zack. He's the one who actually got the job here. We interviewed him. We went through 3 different companies, and we just liked him. He was very, very good at giving us the right answer. Very good at communicating. When we had issues, he was right there when we needed him. So we were very, very happy about his performance. Well, we had a great crew actually working in the house. They were very, very clean. They really put actually a little tent to protect everything, dust and paints and everything. So they were really, really effective. And we were very happy about, their timing, very happy about, how good they worked, with us, for this project. They were very, very fast. They used a very good material, and they were very, very precise, of doing what we wanted them to do. Yeah, Zack was really good, and I would recommend it to anyone, friends and really families. He was very, very, very precise about timing, which was very important to us because we were going on a trip, and we didn't want to have workers in the house when we're not here. And everything was done, and every single little project or concern we had were really acted upon, or addressed, upon our concerns. So it was really good. Very happy about the result.